When you look at our products, you think we only carry concrete. We actually support houses, buildings, strong structures, and secure lives. Because we are the secret heroes of the construction industry. IMER LT was established by a partnership between senior mechanical engineer Metin Uygur and IMER Group, a powerful brand in the world of truck mixers and concrete transport vehicles. Two production plants equipped with the latest technological machinery and equipment located on 15,000 square meters closed and 100,000 square meters open area. A first-class factory organization can annually produce 2,000 truck mixers. R&D activities, shining light in its industry and following the world. Dynamic, innovative, technological infrastructure. Certified welding processes. A perfect measurement system minimizes consumption and ergonomic designs resistant to corrosion by using steel. High-strength 30 manganese B5 sheet metal used for IMER LT truck mixers produced by using the best hydraulic equipment. Designed to limit the noise and dust, environmentally friendly, high quality, reliable, and products durable to the harsh conditions. The first and only certified superstructure company for the world's leading truck brands. Exporting all over the world. Worldwide dealer and after-sales service network. IMER LT adds power to the mortar of the world.